A health system on the verge of collapse. India suffers a second wave of COVID with record numbers of daily deaths and infections.
Once the first wave subsided, the government almost declared victory over Covid-19. The country's been caught unprepared.
India is being devastated by a second wave of COVID, a coronavirus storm, as the country's Prime Minister has called it. India is now at the epicentre of the pandemic, with cases accelerating faster than anywhere else in the world. Well, in the past 24 hours, more than 2,000 people have died and nearly 300,000 new cases have been reported. But the true figures are thought to be much higher. Hospitals in many parts of the country, including the capital, Delhi, are already overwhelmed. As America reflects on the conviction of Derek Chauvin, the US Justice Department announces a federal probe into the Minneapolis police force. Thousands of supporters of Russia's jailed opposition leader Alexei Navalny take to the streets. Hundreds are arrested.
Vladimir Putin always says that everything is okay. Every single word he says is a lie, and I'm not okay with that. That's why I'm here.
And is it the final whistle for the Super League? Yet more clubs pull out and apologise to fans. An explosion in the Pakistani city of Quetta has left 3 people dead, 11 others wounded. The blast took place in the car park of the Serena luxury hotel, which is often frequented by officials. Well, a BBC correspondent in Pakistan says the Chinese ambassador is suspected to have been the target of this explosion. The Pakistani Taliban say that they were behind the blast but did not mention any target. Rescue workers searching for a missing submarine in Indonesia have found an oil spill near its last dive location. The 44-year-old submarine with 53 people on board was last reported carrying out a torpedo drill off the coast of Bali. The Indonesian Navy has appealed for international help, with several countries aiding in the search for the missing vessel.
It's time to get serious about climate change. Boris Johnson will tell a summit of world leaders that urgent action is needed to save the planet.